In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stan Store account. We'll walk through the entire process together, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. By the end, you'll have your account set up and your free trial started. First, open your browser and go to the official Stan Store website. Make sure you're on the real site, not a sponsored ad or a lookalike page. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see a sign up button. Go ahead and click that to start creating your account. You'll now see a sign up form with several fields you need to fill out. In the first field, you'll be asked to choose a Stan Store username. This is often what your store link will be based on, so pick something short, clear, and easy to remember. Try to avoid special characters if possible, and think about how you want your brand to appear. In the second field, enter your full name. This should be your real name, since it can be used for billing, support, or account verification later on. Next, in the third field, type in your email address. Use an email you check regularly, because Stan Store will send you important messages here, including confirmations and updates. In the fourth field, enter your mobile number. Make sure you include the correct country code if it's requested. This can help with account recovery or security notifications. In the last field on this page, create a password. Choose something strong and unique, combining letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Avoid using the same password you use for other accounts. Once you've filled in all the fields and double-checked for any typos, click the Next button. The page will now reload and ask you to choose whether you want a monthly or yearly plan. At this stage, you're just selecting your preferred billing schedule for after the free trial, so you won't be charged right away. Take a moment to read the options, pick the one that fits you best, and then click Next again. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your payment details. Carefully type in your card number, the card's expiry date, and the security code on the back. At the top of this section, you'll see a note showing how long your free trial lasts and the exact end date. Before you continue, you'll see a checkbox stating that you've read and understood the terms of service and privacy policy. It's a good idea to at least skim through those documents so you know what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable, tick the checkbox on the left side. Finally, click the button that says, Start your 14-day free trial. After a moment, your account will be created, your free trial will begin, and you'll be taken into your new Stan Store dashboard, ready to start setting up your products and offers.